Sony has just deployed the first major software update for its robot puppy Aibo. As of this March, users in the United States and Japan can access a new feature called Aibo Patrol. Users can also be part of a global competition that will take place in the coming weeks. The new functions of Aibo depend on its ability to recognize faces. Now it has a registry of people of interest that can be accessed through the My Aibo app, which allows users to enter up to 10 names and faces of people so that Aibo can identify. Aibo can use the camera on his back to determine his location in your home and create detailed maps of your residence. The more time you spend exploring the area, the more detail the map will have. You will notice details such as furniture, doors, walls and any other obstacle. With a map at hand, Aibo can patrol some areas of your home or conduct designated patrol routes that a user has established. Although the idea of a patrolling robot may sound a bit intimidating, Aibo's patrolling style is barking but not biting. Once you find the person you are looking for, Aibo will greet you with a new movement. Users will also have access to the daily reports of Aibo's findings and their interactions.